Now the question number 2 is, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is 2, 4, 6, 8 and C is equal to 1, 4, 8. Now first we find A intersection B. A intersection B. First we write A, the elements of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now intersection we write B, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we will write those elements which are common to both, and we write both common elements. We write this 2 here common, 4, 6 and only 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Now this is the intersection of A intersection B. Now we find B intersection A. B intersection A. Now we write first A, B write B. The elements of B are 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, and intersection A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and B intersection A is equal to, now both elements, common to both elements we write there. It means 2, 4 and 6 only. Now it means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now again this is question number 2, and question number 2 we will write third part of this. This is third part by taking left hand side. Left hand side this A intersection B union C. First we write A. A is set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this is our A set. Now intersection, this is the intersection, and we write this bracket, and we write B set. B is our 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now this is our B set. Now union, we write C set. C set is 1, 4, 1, 4, 8. 1, 4. Now 1, 4. Only 3. Now A intersection B union C. This is our A set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now intersection we write all elements of B and C, and we will write common elements one time. Now this 1, 2, 4, 2, 4 and 4, 6, 8, and we write now intersection we find A intersection B union C. Now we write those elements which are common to both set. Now 2, this 2, 2, 2 and 4 and 6. Now this only 6. 2, 4, 6. Now A intersection B union C is 2, 4, 6 by taking right hand side, and right hand side is A intersection B and union A intersection C. Now we write, and we write the first A set. We write A set. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this is the A set, and union intersection B set, and B set is B set is 2 4 6 8. 2 4 6 8. Now this is the our this write brackets and we write union. Now this union, now we write A. We write A set. A is 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 and intersection we write C. C is 1 4 8. 1 4 8. Now again A intersection B union A intersection C. Now we write the intersection of both and we write common elements. Now this is 2, this is 2 4, 2, 4 is common, 4, yes, and 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now 6, this 6, and now this is the A intersection B. Now union, this union. Now we write this, the common elements of this and this set. 2 is no common, 4 is common only, 4, only 4 common, and we write this. The intersection of this set and this set is only, the element is 4. Now we write the union of this and write 2, 4 and 6, and we write A intersection B, A intersection B and union A intersection C. Now we write this. This is our first result and this is our second result. And from 1 and 2 left hand side A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Now this is the our this question. Now remaining parts you will do yourself. Now this is the question number 3. If U is equal to this, A is equal to this, or B is equal to this, verify the De Morgan law. De Morgan laws, there are two De Morgan laws. A intersection B complement, A complement union B complement. First we take this, write A intersection B complement is equal to A complement B complement. A intersection B. Now A set is 1 3 5 7 9 and intersection we write 2 3 5 7 and write A intersection B and we write the common elements of both sets. 3 is common, 5 is common and 7 is common. Now this is A intersection B. Now we find A intersection B complement. It means U minus this, A intersection B. We subtract this set from this. It means we write U set, universal set, and universal is 1 2 3 4 and goes 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now this set minus and minus is 3 5 set, 3 5 and 7. Now we write A intersection B complement mean we write all the elements of U universal set which are not present in this set. It means we will not write these elements if they found in this, and remaining elements we write the from this set. Now 1 is not present, we write 1. 2 is present, not present, we write this. 3 is present, we don't write. 4 is right. 5 is not right. 6 is right. 7 is not right. And 8 is right. 9 is right. And 10 is right. Now A intersection B complement is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now we take by taking right hand side. Right hand side. The right hand side. Now we find A intersection union B intersection. First we find A complement. A complement U minus A. U minus A. Now our U is universal is 1, 2, 3 and 4 goes to 10. Now A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 7, 9. Now this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. A complement is equal to universal set minus A. It means we write all the elements of universal set which are not present in A. Now 1 is present, we don't write. 2 write here. And 3 is present, we don't write. 4 is 4 right. 5 not. 6 right. 7 not. 8 right. And 9 not. And we write 10. This is the A complement. Now we find B complement. And B complement mean universal set minus B set. Now universal set is 1, 2, 3 and goes to 10. And minus B, and B is, our B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Now this is our B set. B complement is equal to universal set minus B, and we write all elements of universal set which are not present in this. Now 1 is not present, we write. 1 is not present in this, we write 1. 2 is present, we leave it. 3 is also present in this, we leave it. 4 is not present, we write this. And 5 present is, we leave it. 6 not present, we write it. 7 is present, we write, we leave it. And 8 we write. And 9 we write. And 10 we write also. Now this is our B complement. Now we write A complement union B complement. Now A is our, this is our A, this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we write union this 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Now we find the all elements of this set and this set. In common element we will write one time. A into A complement union B complement. This we write 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Now this is the our A complement union B complement. And this is our second result. And here this is our our first result, and this is our second. Now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right hand side. Now the question. The next part of this is our next part. The next part is A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now we write this. First we find this by taking left hand side. We write this A union B complement. First we will find A union B. A union B. A union is 1, 2. A is 3. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now this is A set. And union B set. B is 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now this we find the union of A union B. We will write all the elements which are present in A and B, and we common element will write one time. Now this is 1, 2, 3 present here we write one time 3, 5 and 7 and 9. This is the A union B, and A union B complement is equal to U minus universal set minus A union B. First we write universal set. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, universal 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes to 10. Now this is our universal set minus, and we write this 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now A union B complement is equal to, we write all the elements of U which are not present in this. 1 is present, we leave it. 2 is present, we leave it. 3 is present, we leave it. 4 is not present, we write 4. 5 is present. 6 is not present, we write it. 7 is present, we leave it. 8 is, we write 8. 9 is present, we leave it, and 10 we write this. By taking right hand side. And right hand side is A complement intersection B complement. First we find A complement. A complement means U minus A. And now U is 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 goes to 10 and minus A. Our A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And we write A complement is equal to universal set minus A. We write 1, we don't write. 2 is right. 3, 4 is right. 5 not right. 6 is right. 7 don't write. 8 right. 9 don't write, and 10 right. Now this is the A complement. Now we write B complement. B complement universal set minus B, and universal set is 1, 2, 3 and goes to 10, and minus B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Now B complement is equal to universal minus B is equal to, we write 1, yes. 2 don't write, 3 don't write, 4 right. 4 right. 5 not. Now 6 present, we write 6. 7 don't. 8, 9 and 10. Now we write this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now we find here A complement, A complement, A complement intersection B complement. Now we write A complement. A complement we have find 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And intersection B complement. B is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. A complement intersection B complement. We write those elements which are common to both. 2 is not common. 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now this is 4, 6, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now this is our second result, and we have find this is our first result. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. This. Now this is the question number 4. This is universal set 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes to 20. This is x 1, 3, 7, 9, 15 and 18, 20. Y is 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and goes to 17. Show that x minus y. First we write x minus y. This x minus y, we write x. X is 1, 3, 7, 9, 15, 18, 20. Now we write y. Y is 1, 3, 5, 7 and goes to 17. And x minus y mean we will write all the elements of x which are not present in this. We write 1 is present, we don't write. 3 is present, 7 is present, we don't write. 9 is present, we don't write. And 15 is present, we don't write. And 18 is don't write, we write here 18. 19 is present, not right. 19 I write, and 20 also write, because these three elements which are not present in this. Now we will find here x intersection y complement. First we write y. This is left hand side, right hand side, RHS. First we write y complement. Y complement u minus y. This universal set is 1, 2, 3 goes to 20, and y is 1, 3, 1, 3, 5 and 7 goes to 17. This. And y complement mean we write 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18, 18 and 20. Now this is. Now we find x intersection y complement. We write x. Our x set is 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 7, 9, 15, 18 and 20. Now intersection 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now x intersection y complement, we write all the elements both, common to both. Now 1 present, 2 is not present, 7 is not present, 9 is not present, 18 is present, right? 18 and 18. Intersection mean we will write the common elements of x and y. Now here 18, 20, 18 and 20. Now 18, 2, 4, 6. Here 18 and 20. Now this is the answer of this question. But in this we write 18, 19 and 20. 1, 3, 5, 18. 19 is not present because we write all the elements. 18, 19 is not present in this. We don't write 1, 3, 7, 9, 15, 18, 20, and we will write all the elements of x which are not present in this. And here 18 is not present and 20 is not present. We write this. And this is our first, and this is our second, and left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the second part of this question, the second part is y minus, this is the second part, y minus x is equal to y intersection x complement. Now we write y minus x, and y is 135 and goes to 17, minus x is 135, 7, 9, 15, 18 and 20. Now this is our, and y minus x, we write all the elements of x which are not present in this. 135, 7, 9 and 1 is not present, 3 present, 5 present and 7 present, 9 present, 11 not present, 11 right here, 13 not present, 13 right, 14 and 15 we don't write, we leave it, and 16, 17 we write here, this 17. Now only we write this 17 and we write. Now this is our left hand side. This is 1. Now we find y intersection x complement. First we write x complement mean u minus x. Universal set we write, universal set is 1, 2, 3 goes to 20, and minus x is our set 137, 9, 15, 18 and 20. Now this is our x set. Now x complement mean x complement u minus x. Now we write universal set. 1 is not present, we write, don't write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, now 15 no, 16, 17, 18 no, 19 and 20. Now this is the X complement. Now we write Y intersection X complement. First we write Y. Y set is 1, 3, 5 and goes to 17. Now this is our Y set, intersection X complement. Now X complement is 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 19. Now Y intersection X complement mean we will write 2 is present no, 4 is present no, 5 is present, we write 5, okay, 6 is not present, 8 is not present, 10 is not present, 11 is present, we write 11, and 12 is not present, 13, 14, 14, and 16, no, right, only write wrongly attempt is Y intersection X. We will write only common elements. The only common, 1 is common, no, 3 is common, no, 5 is common, yes, we write 5. We will write 5. And again 5 is common, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is common, this 11, and 13, 15, 13 is present also, 13, and 14, no, 15, no, 16, no, 17, and we write 17, only this. 5, again with this, 5 common, this, and 7 is common, no, 9 is common, no, 10 is common, 11 is common, we write 11. 5 is common, 11 is common. Now again 13 is common, and 17 is common, we write only. Now here we see 11, 13, 17. Now 5 is also X minus Y minus X means we write all the elements of Y which are not present in X. Now here 5 is present, but here is X complement. This is X complement. This X complement, we write X complement U minus X, and 1 present, 2 present, no, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now and X complement, and Y is, now we write Y. Y is 135, 1357. So 5 is here, but 5 is not here. Here we see that in X is no 5. This is not here. Only the elements of X are 1, 3, 7, 9, 15, 18 and 20. So here we also write this 5. because 5 is not present in this, we write this. Now this is our left hand side, and y minus x is equal to 5, 11, 13, 17, and this is we have find 5, 11, 13, 17, and this is our second result from 1 and 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side.